use a pipet to find the volume of water. I prime the pipet 3 times with water, and if you're going to be finding the volume of the solution, you need to prime it 3 times with solution after you prime it with water as well. Draw your first amount, and then you look at it and determine it by where the meniscus is.
And the meniscus is the curved upper surface of a liquid in a tube, and you're going to measure from the bottom of the meniscus.
The amount is approximately 7.70 milliliters. Then you release a given amount of it, hold back on it, bring it up again, measure once again, and this will be your final volume, which is 8.45 approximately.
Now we're finding the last result of the initial volume. Don't forget to read from the bottom of the meniscus for the most accurate reading. It looks about like 5.85. Discard some into the other container. And the final is going to be 7.05.
Hello, today we're going to be finding the volume of water using a pipette. This is our pipette. I've primed this 3 times with water. If we were using a solution, we'd prime it 3 times with the solution after priming it 3 times with the water. We're going to attach our suction bulb to our pipette, draw up some of the solution, hold your finger on it to stop it from backflowing. We're going to measure our initial volume, which is going to be approximately 6.96. We're going to release some of this into our other container, stop it again with our finger. Our next measurement is going to be our final volume, which is approximately 8.13. Then we're going to discard the rest of the solution into the sink. And when we measure, we're going to use the meniscus. The meniscus is the curved upper surface of a liquid when it's placed inside of a tube, specifically a glass tube like this pipette. You're always going to measure from the bottom of the meniscus, the lowest point you can see visible on the curve.
After finding the final and the initial volumes, you can subtract the initial from the final to find the volume of the water.